What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun Rnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today, as you can see, it's all about the pit barrel cooker right here. You see, yesterday, saw a post online about the pit barrel cooker, and well, I just had to comment. Me and this pit right here, since I bought it about 2 years ago, we haven't seen eye to eye. She's always run hot, no matter what I did, no matter how I lighted it. Manufacturer's way I saw on the internet, 10 coals or less, no matter what I did, it always ran hot. So, talked to them on Instagram, magically worked my way up to the owner of the company. What they want me to do is to go back to the original manufacturer's way on how to light the pit, disregard temperature probes, and follow how they light and do the meat. Well, I'll do that for one cook. But I'm sure this baby's going to burn it up. But before I get to doing that, what we're going to do, we're going to spruce this baby up, knock off all the rust, paint it up nice and pretty again. We're going to go ahead. We're going to dedicate a couple bags of charcoal to this. I'm going to run their way beforehand with a temperature probe to see how high this pit runs into a temp. Then we'll run their way with some chicken and see how it goes. Hope you stick around for the journey. First up, we're going to identify where it's rusting out at. The horseshoe-shaped handles around the portholes and around the bottom rim and the rebar. Now we move on to taking out the horseshoe-shaped handles. Just 2 bolts apiece on both sides. We can go ahead and put those in some degreaser. Clean those up. Now we're going to go ahead and clean up these rust spots. Now we're going to move on to the paint. I like to use the paintable kind versus the spray-on kind. I feel that it sticks on a whole lot better. Now comes the fun part. Still got my directions from 2 years ago. It states, go ahead and fill up the charcoal basket. There we go. Remove 1/4 of the charcoal. So that's 1/4. Now we go to light this. Now in the book it says wait 12 to 15 minutes. Talking with the owner, they want me to only do 10 minutes because of my problem. So I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes, then go ahead and dump it onto the coals. So that's what we're going to go do now. All right, here we go. Now, they said don't put a temperature probe in there, but I need to know what's going on. And we'll check back in a little bit. So, we are half an hour in right now. They do say that it's supposed to spike up and come down. Currently, right now, the pit is reading 358. Let's see if it keeps going up. What's the highest temp it's going to do? Let's see if it comes down and levels out to the 275, 315 that it says it's supposed to do. So let's see what it does. Okay, we are 1 hour in. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. We are up to 403 degrees. I've got the bottom vent set to exactly what it's supposed to be. My lid has been on. The rebar has not moved. I did what they told me to do. All right, after an hour and 20 minutes, the pit is finally starting to come down on temp and went up to a high of 406 degrees. Now we're at 396 and falling. I'm talking to Pit Barrel on Instagram right now. They're talking to the owners to find out what's going on to help me through this process. Well, just got back news from them. They say that because the barrel is empty, that it's going to run extremely hot. So I'm supposed to do another cook, so that's going to be another video. Put a chicken in there and go ahead and do no temperature probe on the barrel itself, and just I can put a probe inside to check the bird, but no barrel probe. Let it run for 90 minutes to 2 hours, pull the bird and see what I've got. So that's what we're gonna do. So look forward to that video and let's see what kind of bird I get. And yeah. Well, thank you all for watching this video. Y'all have a good day.